Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone lagging on iOS 17. So guys, if you are facing this problem that your iPhone is lagging on iOS 17, here I will show you how can you fix this. So guys, here I will give you some tips that will help you to stop lagging on your iPhone. So guys, the very first tip is that you will have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, restart your device and then go for the second tip. So guys, the second tip is that you will have to delete unused apps on your iPhone. So guys, if there is any unused app or that is useless for you, you will have to delete it. So for that, open settings, and from here scroll it below and tap on general, and from here tap on iPhone storage, and from here tap on any app which is not in use or which is useless for you. So guys, tap on that app, and from here you will have to simply tap on delete app. So guys, in this way you can delete unused or useless apps on your iPhone. So guys, after this, go for the third tip, that is you will have to clear Safari history and data. So guys, for that, open your settings again, scroll it below and tap on Safari, and from here scroll it below, and from here tap on clear history and website data. So guys, clear your history and website data on your Safari app and then go for the next tip. So guys, the next tip is that you will have to clear iPhone storage if it is full or it is on maximum. So guys, for that, open your settings again and tap on general, and from here tap on iPhone storage, and from here check if the iPhone storage is full or it is on maximum level. So guys, you will have to simply clear your iPhone storage, and after this you will have to delete useless data which is not in your use. So guys, for that, open your gallery, and from here delete all the data which is not in your use, and after this go for the next tip. So guys, the next and last tip is that you will have to simply update all your apps on your iPhone. So guys, to fix lagging on your iPhone, you will have to simply update all the apps which are on your iPhone. So guys, for that, open your app store, and from here tap on your profile, and from here tap on update all. So guys, update all the apps which on your iPhone. So guys, after all these tips, hopefully your iPhone will stop lagging and your lagging problem will be fixed on your iPhone. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.